Hi, my name is Sahrijal. I am a staff of local ecotourism community in Kari village. So, today I want to promote to you about Punggualas Visitor Center. Punggualas Visitor Center is a center of visitor, research, and information that is located in Bangau National Park with swamp forest. So, you might be wondering what is so special about Punggualas Visitor Center? First, cool and clean air. Second, surrounded by natural forest that is tranquil and peaceful. Third, very good for refreshing. Many flora and fauna around the visitor center that you can see. Are you interested? If so, come visit us!